Hello, my friends. This is Maria here, and welcome to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to be wrapping 4 projects that I already made for some of my students and friends. And as you can see, it's going to be very easy. The first thing you need to do is place your project upside down so you make sure that the paper is going to be encountering with the other part or on the back of your wrapping. And I'm also using scotch tape because it's easy, and just in case you need to remove it because you made a mistake or you're confused about where to place it, you can remove it and replace it without damaging the paper. So as you can see, once you do the middle part, you go on one of the other parts of the lateral parts and you fold it in a triangle on both sides, and then you fold it again completely into the back of your project. So as you can see, these are very nice cross stitch and embroidery project I did like a month ago. Under this video in the description box, I'm gonna be leaving you the links so you can see that from the beginning. You place it upside down in the center of your paper, and as you can see here, you fix it with a piece of scotch tape, and then you go and do 2 triangles, one on each side, and fold it again. And in that way you can finish the one of the sides. Also, if you want to give it a better finish, then you can fold it twice, as I just did it in this project here on this side. So let's see if I do it again so I can show it to you what I meant to say. So you do the 2 triangles and then you fold it in completely in half, and then again, but in this case I just did it one time because it's really neat. So scotch tape is really amazing. I guess it's a huge invention and I love it. I love to use it in all my projects, especially when I want to glue something and then remove it from the surface. It's not gonna cause any damage, as you can see. And I remember it because the embroidery was made using the pictures of the drawings on the fabric, so I didn't have to draw anything or iron anything because I just went ahead and placed a bee over there, and then I embroidered some of the details. Or on the back, I also finished the project with a nice touch using the same fabric, and also I placed a tiny piece of wool so I can hang it on the wall. As you can see, I'm following the same process, upside down, then you fold it in the back and you fix it with a tiny bit of scotch tape, and now we're gonna go on the side. So I'm doing this 4 times, so for you to see all the details you need to know, and never be afraid of wrapping your present or your journals or anything you made for a friend, or also if you have a store online or a store anywhere in the city. So don't be afraid. So this is the aim of the goal of this episode, so you can learn, and also you can't imagine how much fun I had creating this wrapping and recording this video for you. So perhaps you can find inspiration for your own wrapping process, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna do better than I'm doing right now. So never stop believing in yourself and the capacity and potential that you have for creativity and to build your own presents for your family and friends. And finally, this is project number 4. As you can see, I placed a felt in the back so it gives a nice finishing touch. And now, as the first, second, and third project, I'm just folding the paper in half in the back of the project, fix it with a little bit of scotch tape, and then I'm gonna go on both sides making triangles, then folding in the complete length on the paper, 2 more pieces of scotch, and my present is almost wrapped completely. So basically you need a paper and no more than 5 little pieces of scotch tape. This is the way they look. They're not fancy at all, but they are made with a lot of love and your friends and family are going to love it. Also, this is a fun way to wrap your presents if you're gonna be traveling, because it's easy, it's not gonna take too much space on your suitcase. So I really want you to try it and let me know in the comments down below. So thanks for being here once again. Please subscribe to my channel, share this episode, leave me a comment and a like, and I hope to see you soon on my next episode here in Maria Creative Mind. I see you soon. Bye friends. Bye bye. Never stop creating. Bye. Bye friends.